guys, in this video I will show you how I install my single-ended synthetic dreadlocks. I make them myself and I also sell them, so if you're interested, you'll find all the links down below in the description box. So the first thing you do is wash your hair, and what I like to do is put some coconut oil on the tips of my hair, especially because my hair is thin and dyed, so coconut oil is really good for your hair. And then I divide my hair into sections, starting from the top, moving down to the bottom. So what you want to do is take this section, divide it in two, like this. And now you're gonna take your little loop up here, put your finger in it, and put a section inside the loop. And you're gonna put your dreadlock up here so it doesn't bother you. And what I like to do, my personal way of installing dreadlocks, is by braiding the hair of the section. So what I do is I will divide the whole section in 3 little sections, as you would do for a regular braid. And then start braiding. Make sure it's tight. It doesn't have to hurt, but it has to be tight enough. And just start braiding. Okay, once you're done braiding, what I like to do is I use some styling gel, hair styling gel, to seal the tips. Just take a little bit and put it on the tips. So now that you've done your first braid, you're gonna have to repeat the process for the rest of your hair. It takes some time, but it's worth it, as you can leave them in for 2 weeks, even more, depending on your preference. And you don't have to worry about your hair, and it looks cool.